everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another roleplay. It's a sick day today, so let's get started. Oh, it's freezing. Isn't it meant to be summer? I mean, it's spring. But why is it so cold today? I didn't know it would be this cold today. Well, I gotta get going now. It's so cold. It's actually cold. It's freezing. I gotta survive now. And today's a school day, so I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'll just stay in bed. I'll just stay in bed for a few minutes. Yeah, just a few minutes. I hope it's gonna get warm soon. Really. It's freezing. I know. How is it freezing so much? I know it's spring, but like this much? I know. My phone. Let me see the. What? What is it? Bro, it's. Oh my god. It's freezing because it is like minus 50 degrees today. What? Oh my god. I don't think we can send the twins to school or we can even send Aurora to school today. It's so cold. I'm not going to work today. I'm not dropping the kids to school today. You can just stay in bed or something. I'm gonna go. Super cold today. I'm gonna wear something very warm. But I gotta go take a shower. Must be a cold one. I mean a hot one. I always do cold ones, but today is so like cold. I can't survive. Okay. So okay. It's cold. And I'll barely make it. Let me just take my things. All these and stuff. Mom won't get in, it's cold. I gotta quickly go into the bath. Okay, let's get in. I hope it's warm. Okay, it's very warm. Oh, that's better. Now let me just take the loofah. Do my stuff and my thing. Done. Now all I do is put this in. It's freezing again. I should really get my clothes. I should have got my clothes ready. I'll just wear my clothes and do everything else, I guess. Oh, how is everyone surviving? None of us should be surviving now. No, what to wear, not this, not this, never. This is okay, but I think I'm gonna... No, not that one. This one. Okay, that's better. Guys, I don't know how that happened, but when I put the clothes on, her neck went on her face. I'm really sorry. Anyway, okay, so it's freezing. I don't think I should wear this. Yeah, I should just wear my own clothes. Like, oh my god, where am I? Oh my god, it's so cold. Will I survive or something? I don't think so. I'm just gonna wear these clothes. I can't do anything. Now, let's put this. I don't wear my pin. Even though it's literally just freezing outside. I have no idea what to do. I gotta get myself a warm coffee. Later I'll wake up to twins. It's cold. I need my glass. I need my cup. And now I'm going to drink it. Oh my god, it's still freezing. What do I do? I hope a snowstorm doesn't. I hope there is no snowstorm. Okay, guys? If there is a snowstorm, I'll definitely not send them to school. Like, actually, though. So, I hope not. I hope not. Seriously? It just started snowing when I said that. I don't know what to do anymore. It's freezing and I was with the twins for breakfast and stuff. Twins, wake up. It's so freezing, Mom. Mom, it's freezing. I know. We still gotta get up. Oh wait, I think I'm better, but it's still freezing. Mom, are we seriously gonna go to school? No, you're not gonna go to school today. School's canceled. Yeah, I mean, it's cold. And we have to wake up. I know. It's freezing. I'll just brush my teeth for now. No. Oh my god, it's freezing. I'll give you guys your toothbrushes. We're already getting up. I'm just gonna wait this for today. I'm gonna. It's literally snowing outside. Good morning. It's so good. I'm staying in my pajamas. Okay, it's still freezing. Don't worry. You guys can don't worry. You guys can rest in bed, play on your iPad. You took our iPad, remember? I forgot about that. I'll just give you it. Even though it's not a month, but after you, when you're not sick, after today, you being grounded from your iPad, will continue. Seriously? No, I gotta go get those twins' iPads. Okay. iPad. It's so cold. I guess I'm gonna go to the fireplace after this. Here you guys go. No, you can do what you want or something like that. Yeah, actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and read a book. You guys want breakfast? No, we're not getting up. Is it that cold for you guys that you don't want breakfast? Yes, not right now. Well, I don't want breakfast as well. Okay, I just had morning coffee, so I'm not gonna get some. The neighbor's dog keeps on barking and I hate it. I'm just gonna get this laptop working. That's better. Breaking news. Today there's gonna be a snowstorm. So please be careful because you're not allowed to go anywhere. If your child has school today, please cancel your school. All schools are closed for today. If the snowstorm suddenly continues, we shall close schools again. And warning, we don't know when the snowstorm will happen. Just wait until you hear a bang, and that means the snowstorm is going on. Don't go to work and keep the door shut. Please note this to your whole family. Thank you. Oh my God! There's a storm? Seriously? That's why it was snowing so hard. Kids, there's a snowstorm. Please be careful, okay guys? What? But the balcony! I'll just close the door of it. Okay? Or can you install curtains? I could, but I can't, okay? Okay. close it. Okay, guys, it is closed. Just a second. It is closed, so you don't need to worry. Really? Yes. So you don't need to worry, I said. I'm just gonna go tell this to the rest. Okay. Just have fun on your iPads. Don't think too hard. Wake up, Liam. Ah! What's wrong? Why did you have to wake me up like that? Because there's a snowstorm and I didn't check which location it was. Then go check it. Okay. I already told the rest of the family that it's heading towards us. I'll just go check for after this. Okay, let me go sleep. There's a snowstorm about to hit our house. Okay, Aurora, don't. If your friends tell you to go out with them, then just say no to your friends. Your safety is more important. What? And plus, they wouldn't even do that because there's a snowstorm. Whatever, if they ask. Now I'm gonna go check. It is heading to a neighborhood. It is heading to Toca neighborhood. What? That's our place. Well, at least everyone already knows. Well, I hope it doesn't get stronger. It's still freezing for some reason. I hope the lights don't go out. Plus, my electronics are fully charged, so it's okay. Just hope that it doesn't turn off. That the lights don't turn off. Even that thing, like this thing right here, is charged. So I don't think there's gonna be a problem in my room. I don't really have any lights. Let me. Oh no! The power went out. I heard Mom say the power went out. At least our iPads are fully charged. Oh, nothing else turns off, especially the extra lights. They turn off. Seriously? The campfire is still going at least. Well, that's a good sign. Okay. It's for eating. I just want the stuffy. The stuffy is so cute. I can't believe my mom even bought this for me. I was begging for it. I also really like the duck one. Anyways, let's just do this. I'm just gonna go check on. Oh, I'm just gonna go check on Sophie. Why wanna go on the sofa? Whatever. I'll just leave it I don't know where to leave it. I'm just gonna put it right here. No, I'm just gonna go check. Now Sophie is okay. Oh, at least Sophie's okay. Never mind. I'll just give her a pacifier right here. Better. But first of all, I'm gonna give her milk. Yay! I mean, wow! Goo goo gaga, goo goo gaga. Oh, she's okay now. Wow! Oh my god. Just put her back. Well, that was weird, because she kept on crying. Whatever. She is still a baby. Who can judge her? Now, I'm gonna check if I have anything to eat. Well, I can use a banana. Well, that's better. It turns night. Kids, you gotta go to sleep now. Oh. Aw, man. Okay. Now, give me your... Now, for now, I'll put it here. But if you touch it, I'm gonna take it away. Okay. Plus, we already brushed our teeth, so we can have some extra time. That's weird, but okay. I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm already ready. And also, everyone else is ready. At least. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, Mom. I was also saving some extra time, by the way. Bye. Good night, Mom. Good night. It turns daytime. What? It's not freezing that much anymore. Let me check how cold it is. Oh, it's only 10 degrees outside. I mean, still pretty cold, but not as cold as before. It was really cold yesterday. I know. Now I think we should get up. Plus, the worst thing is that yesterday we didn't take the kids to school, and second of all, now it is Saturday. Great. Anyways, I'm just gonna go now. Okay. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, and please comment down below any suggestions for my next role play. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe as well. Bye.